children? All are fine? Okay, now today we will be discussing about the topic name is cell, the basic unit of life. So, first of all, what is cell? What is cell? This is called cell. Our body made up of so many cells. In our body have external organs and internal organs also. Every organ made up of so many cells. Cells form into tissue. Cells form into tissue. Tissues form into organ. Organ form into organism. First, cell form into tissue. Tissue form into organ. Organ form into organism. Organism. In our body have external organs and internal organs. Every part made up of so many cells. Like this. These cells form into tissue, tissues form into organ, organ form into organism. We see in our surrounding areas different types of animals, different types of microorganisms in our surroundings areas. Some organisms present in the water, some organisms present on the land, some organisms present on the air. So, every organism made up of cells. So, first of all, who discovered cell? Who discovered cell? Robert Hooke discovered cell in 1665. Who discovered cell? Robert Hooke in 1665. Later, Robert Brown discovered nucleus in orchid plants. Robert Brown nucleus. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek also discovered cells present in human body. The cell is very small, it is a very naked eye. It is not visible to eye. It is only with the help of an electron microscope only. Like plant cells. Plant cells have main three parts. Plant cells have main three parts. Cell wall, cytoplasm. Cell wall also called cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. We have two types of cells. Number one, plant cell, and number two, animal cell. Cell have mainly three parts. First of all, cell has mainly three parts. Cell wall, or cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. These main three parts. Like every cell have different kinds of shapes and size. Some cells, for example, water organisms like amoeba, paramecia, chlamydomonas, etc. These are called single organism. Another name unicellular organism. These also respiration, excretion, reproduction, digestion. These also have. Like that our human body also same like. So different shapes and different size of cells in water animals and human beings. So amoeba is a unicellular organism. This is also single cell. Like that, this is called pseudopodia. The pseudopodia help us to move from one place to another place. This is called nucleus. This is called cytoplasma. These amoeba present in the water, dirty water, and chlamydomonas. This is called flagellum. What? Flagellum. These also present in the water. And paramecium. The paramecium, paramecium also present in the water. It is a slipper shape, like two types of nucleus. This is called macronucleus. This is called micronucleus. This is cilia. Cilia is the movement of from one place to another place. It is a macronucleus helps us to catch the food. Okay? This is water organisms like single cell animals, single cell organism. Like our body consists of so many cells. So it is called a multicellular organism. What? Multicellular organism. So, for example, in our body have nerve cell. What? Nerve cell. This is also called neuron. What? This is also called dendrites. What is this? Dendrites. Nestles granules. Nucleus. Axon. This is called myelin. This is called nerve terminals. Nerve terminals. In our body have several thousands of neurons in our body. Every neuron connected with another neuron, like this. Our body have so many cells. This is called neuron or nerve cells. And like another cells, blood cells. Blood cells. Blood cells are two types. First, red blood cells. Red blood cells. Blood cells, red blood cells. Another name is also erythrocytes. What? Erythrocytes. And another white blood cells. Another name leukocytes. Whatever. Another leukocytes. So another blood cells also blood platelets. Blood platelets. Blood platelets. This is called another name thrombocytes. So white blood cells are also three types. Granulocytes. And granulocytes. Granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes. Base of food. Neutrophil. Eosinophil. Okay, granulocytes are also contain basophil, neutrophil, eosinophil, and agranulocytes. Agranulocytes contain two types. Agranulocytes contain two types: monocytes and lymphocytes. So, blood cells, three types of blood cells in our body. First, red blood cells, white blood cells, blood platelets. Red blood cells are also called erythrocytes. White blood cells are also called leukocytes. Blood platelets are also called thrombocytes. So, white blood cells divided into two types: granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes are also contain three types: basophil, neutrophil, eosinophil. Basophil, neutrophil, eosinophil. And agranulocytes are contain two types: monocytes and lymphocytes. These are present in the human body cells. So, single cell, you know the single cell differences between single cell animal and multicellular animal. You know, single cell animals are also called unicellular organism. Okay, and so many cells organisms is called multicellular organisms. So these single cell animals cells different shapes and size. Multicellular organisms cells have shapes and different several thousands of cells in the human body. So, okay, already you know the topic understood. So, very good. We meet again next class. Thank you again. Okay.